How to fix can't receive calls on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you not being able to receive calls on your iPhone and are worried? Then do not worry, you've come to the right place. I will give you some quick fixes to help you out. The very first thing is you need to check your cellular signal. If you see SOS or no signal bars at all, that's a primary culprit. You need a good connection to receive calls. So take a look at your phone. It's available in the top right corner beside your Wi Fi. You can see various lines, right? If it's not white in color, then that means there is no network. So if you're in an area with poor reception, try moving to a different spot, maybe near a window or an open area to see if that network improves your signal strength. And then next up, let's check your do not disturb settings. Swipe down from the top right corner and you can see focus, tap on it and make sure that do not disturb is not toggled on. If it is on like this, then make sure you tap on it to turn it off. And do not turn on any other focus as well because these focus modes interfere with your call. Now, next is maybe you might have blocked the contact without knowing. So go check your settings, head over to the search bar at the bottom and search for phone. Tap on it, scroll down, and then view your blocked contacts. So if you have any blocked contacts, make sure that you unblock them. So these are some of the fixes. If it helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.